Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and I'm incredibly excited for this video. Why am I so excited? Because I'm about to launch a 4-day business builder challenge that's 100% free for you. This video is actually going out to a select group of people that want to take this challenge on. And by the end of the challenge, by the end of the next 4 to 7 days, you're going to have leads coming through your business and potentially even some sales coming through your business. But here's the catch: to make this all work, there are certain tools that you're going to need to build and grow your online business. Number one of them is a funnel builder tool. This allows you to create web pages so you can send your leads through a sales process to get them to buy your affiliate marketing products and services. There's no way around this. Along with that, you're going to need an autoresponder to capture names and email addresses, to follow up with those names and email addresses, to then send them back to the funnel to get them once again to buy your affiliate products and services. Again, there's no way around this. Just like we need food and water and oxygen to live, we need softwares in our online business to make it work. So you're going to need a specific software, a specific tool that's all web-based. You don't need to download anything to your computer, and it's free for 14 days. So the cool thing about this is we're going to be generating you leads and potentially even some sales in the next 4 to 7 days. So this tool is not going to cost you a dime whatsoever to use for the next 14 days to use in this business builder challenge. So it's going to be 100% free during that time. So there's a few things that you need to do to make this business builder challenge work and actually qualify. Number one is to click the link below and input your credit card information. Okay, we're going to have your credit card on file. Your credit card is not going to be charged whatsoever. So that's the first thing that you're going to need to do. The next thing that you're going to need to do is go ahead and get access to Kartra, which is that software. Okay, there's going to be a link that you're going to go to after you place your order on this page. If you're on YouTube, possibly you might be on another page where this video is on. There's going to be a link below in the description where you can place your order. After you do that, there's going to be another video in which you're going to purchase that trial of Kartra. Again, it's 14 days free. Once you complete that, then you're going to be led to another page where you're going to go ahead and join our private Facebook group and then also submit proof that you are in fact registered with Kartra and you made that registration. So you're going to go ahead and, number one, get access to the Facebook group. Number two, you're also going to go ahead and submit some proof showing that you've purchased Kartra. And then from there, once you get access to that Facebook group, within the next 24 hours, we're actually going to be sending you a link that's going to give you private access to our members area to go ahead and complete this business builder challenge. So every single day, you're going to receive a new video and with homework to complete of exactly what to do. And then after that 24 hours is up, you've completed that first video, a new video will open up every single day. There's a total of 4 videos in 4 days that you'll complete. And by the end of it, the goal is to begin generating leads and potentially even some sales just by following what I lay out in this 4-day video series. So if this is something that you want, if this is something that you're excited about, you want to be a part of, number one, enter your credit card details below. Number two, go ahead and get access to Kartra and the Facebook group. Number three, submit your details showing that you've actually purchased a trial of Kartra or registered for a trial. Again, it's not going to charge you anything whatsoever for the next 14 days there. And then after you do that, in the next 24 hours, you're going to go ahead and get access to the first day of this 4-day series. You'll receive an email giving you the login details and giving you access to the private members area. So if you want to be a part of this special group, it's not going to cost you a dime for at least the next 14 days. And heck, you can even cancel your membership to Kartra. If you find that this is not for you whatsoever, go ahead and cancel that software. Obviously, when you enter your credit card details here, you're not going to be charged whatsoever. We just want to know that you're actually serious about this and you're willing to put, some skin in the game and at least jump through some hoops to show that you're serious. Okay? So go ahead, click the link below, place your credit card details, and I look forward to seeing you in the next steps.